Hello and welcome to this series of 5 videos that will introduce you to our custom stainless steel fermenter design process. In this third video, we'll look at how the factory acceptance test, or FAT, takes place. FAT is a very important step in the project. In fact, it allows you to check, before the equipment leaves the factory, that your future equipment fully meets all your technical specifications. A successful FAT requires that we have agreed on a FAT protocol. This protocol is developed in detail, then approved right after the detailed design phase. For practical reasons, the protocol is created in Excel. That's our working tool. It's only at the end of the FAT that we print a paper report from the FAT file in Excel. It is signed in 2 copies so that it can be presented to third parties, who are often the quality inspectors from your major clients. The FAT protocol contains 3 parts. First, we check and review the provided documentation, 2D drawings, 3D files, PNID, user manual, CE certificate, calibration report for the main sensors, bill of materials, electrical diagram, pneumatic diagram, list of required utilities, and so on. For GMP versions, the documentation also includes material certificates and welding reports. Then, in the second phase, there is the verification of all the specifications related to the equipment. This is the hard FAT. You can see in these images videos taken during a FAT. This particular one was complex and lasted a full 2 weeks. The client, the technicians, the lab staff, and the manufacturer's team went over every sensor, every pipe, every weld, and every actuator before authorizing the shipment of the machine to Europe. And finally, all the specifications related to the software and your processes. This is the soft FAT. During the FAT, we repeat the software and process tests using a test run with water, which allows us to quickly test all of the client's cycles and check the physical parameters of the client's process. The FAT usually lasts from 2 to 3 weeks depending on the complexity of the equipment to be delivered, because there are many parameters to check. To give an example, a 500-liter fermenter in GMP version results in about 130 tests for the hardware, 180 for the software, and a paper report of around 300 pages. Once all these tests are completed, the manufacturer will correct all the nonconformities and then prepare the fermenter for shipment. And that will be the topic of video number 4 in our series.